Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'll show you how to create a folder on your MacBook. This tutorial is necessary because organizing files is key to staying productive and finding what you need quickly. So let's get started. First, open Finder by clicking the Finder icon in the dock. Navigate to the location where you want to create the folder, let's say Documents. If you have a mouse, right-click to bring up the options, or if you are using a trackpad, just press Ctrl and click instead. Then select New Folder and type a name. So I'm gonna type something here. And now press Enter. That's it, we have created a folder successfully, okay? To create a folder on desktop, Ctrl-click on an empty space, or right click if you have a mouse, choose new folder and then name it. So here I'm gonna give it a name again, and that's it. For a quicker method, press Shift plus Command plus N. So I'm gonna do it, Shift, Command and N, and here you can see that it already created a folder here. So now I'm gonna rename it again and pressing Enter. So this shortcut instantly creates a folder and helps you speed up your workflow. And that's it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tips. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz.